Psst. Hey. Hey, yeah, over here. It's John Paulus. Yeah, from Life's Potluck Buffet on YouTube. Yeah, it's me. It's me. What? I'm in this alley in Potluck City, right off of Dutch Oven Avenue for a reason. Because I'm in disguise. Why? Stick around and find out. Okay, but don't tell anybody, all right? Okay. Okay, well, you can tell. You can share it. Yeah, it's okay. You can tell. Just about the episode, not about me in the alley. Okay. Hi, this is John Paulus, and you're listening to Life's Potluck Buffet. I'm so glad you could join me today. So, today's episode is about Worksheet 11. Your hero is you in disguise. And Worksheet 11 has a emoji on it. Oh, wait a second. That's not an emoji. That's all of the Potluck Buffet suits disguised as an emoji. How very clever, all of you. The hair is the magenta noodles. The sunglasses are two of the dumplings. One of the dumpling is the smile, and the yellow face of the emoji. And the yellow face of the emoji is the lemon dot from that suit of Life's Potluck Buffet. Very clever, you all. All right. You got me. So, let me read you the worksheet here. Write words that describe your heroes in the frame below, then turn the page upside down. Okay, this is another turn the page upside down exercise. That's fun. So we'll look out for a little bit of a surprise. Well, why don't I go ahead and start filling in some details for myself. And as always, if you want to get a copy of this for yourself and follow along, go to lifespotluck.com/worksheet. Go to lifespotluck.com/worksheets and download Worksheet 11. So, okay, let me choose a pen and an ink color. I think today we're going to go with magenta, and I am going to choose the pen. Okay. So, words that describe your heroes in the frame below. Okay. Oh, I'm thinking of someone in my life who is a hero, and I'm going to say they are community. Oh, no. I'm writing in script again. Okay. Scratch that. Here I am writing in block letters, or, well, print, whatever we call these. Got the first four letters of community. Community minded. Okay. I'm getting through minded now. Getting there. Bear with. Okay, thank you for your patience. So that's community-minded. All right. What else? I'm thinking of another hero of mine who is creative. Yeah. Like that. Okay. All right. I'm thinking of Salvador Dali, and I'm thinking about how Salvador Dali is liberated. Remember card 52. Rule number 2. Be like Dali. All right. Liberated. Let me think. Oh, how about all about oops. Well, started to write script again, but that I think is legible. All about the craft. All about the craft. There we are. All right. And last but not least, I'm going to say I'm thinking of a hero who was a broadcaster. All right, a broadcaster. Okay. I'm going to move the A over. Okay, so a broadcaster. So I have community-minded, creative, liberated, all about the craft. I gotta want to work something into that about elegance and style. I'm going to add something. I'm going to say all about the craft / style. Style is something I'm feeling here. Okay. All right, all about the craft / style. A broadcaster, liberated, creative, community-minded. Okay, so let's flip this around and see what we've got. Now, let's figure out how we do this. Okay, here we go. All right. So now it says on the bottom, I've flipped it upside down, and it says, turn the page back to where it was, okay, and write I am on the line to the left of the box. Then read everything out loud, starting with I am, ... Okay. Flipping it back around, and I'm writing, oh, I see where this is going. Oh, clever. Is this your idea? Life's potluck emoji made up of the suits. This is a clever idea. So I'm going to read this out loud. I am community-minded. I am creative. I am liberated. I am all about the craft. I am all about the style. I am a broadcaster. Oh, that was excellent. Wow, that turned out really well. I really like the ideas I got down there today, and I'm feeling really good about that. So give this a shot. Go to lifespotluck.com/worksheets. Sign up, sign in, and download Worksheet 11 and give it a try yourself. I hope you have a great day. I hope I see you again in Potluck City, and I'll see you next time. Oh, if you want to, feel free to like this episode and to subscribe. That really means a lot to me, and I really appreciate it when you subscribe. So thank you for that. And also head to lifespotluck.com to get the worksheet. I already said that, but I'll say it again. lifespotluck.com/worksheets. Take care.